Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Docker on Windows 11. So in order to do this, first check the system requirements, ensure that your Windows 11 edition is Pro, Enterprise or Education with the WSL2 features enabled. Then enable the WSL2 and virtualization, open PowerShell as administrator and run this command. Also enable virtualization in your BIOS setting. Then download Docker Desktop. So go to the official Docker website. You can go to the search bar and search for install Docker, hit enter, click on the downloads icon under Docker, then choose the version that you want to download. For example, if I would have to download this one, I'll click on it and the installer will instantly get downloaded onto my PC. Now, after the download gets finished, you'll have to simply run the installer and follow the setup wizard. Select the option to use WSL2 as the backend. Then launch Docker Desktop after installation and it should initialize with the WSL2 integration. After you do this, open the PowerShell or command prompt and run the docker version command to check Docker is installed and running correctly. Then run the docker run hello world command to pull a test image and verify your setup works. This installation helps you develop and manage containerized apps natively on Windows 11 with Docker's powerful tools. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.